Good morning, guys. It's another day of perfection on the Optavia 5-in-1 plan. 5 full days. I am so excited. So I did dip into my box. I had no choice, but I needed my hot chocolate this morning. And when I picked up the package to look at it, the sun was coming through my back door window, and I happened to notice the little sparkles on my nail and how it really matched the package. I thought it was so beautiful. So then what I'm doing now is lighting a candle here, and this is the one I showed you the other night. These are all on clearance at Home Goods, and this one smells just like toasted marshmallow, which I absolutely love. And then I happen to see little Mr. Boo over here peeking out his favorite window. And then look how gloomy. We're supposed to have snow today. Oh, joy. The joy of winter. And here's Miss Brittany, who's getting ready to go out and create a vision board. Good morning, Miss Brittany.
Just another sunny day.